In a stunning turn of events, the International Court of Justice has dismissed the majority of Ukraine's case against Russia. Despite this, the court has found Moscow guilty of violating certain aspects of the United Nations Anti-Terrorism Treaty, specifically for its failure to investigate alleged breaches. The world's highest court examined Ukraine's allegations that Moscow equipped and funded pro-Russian forces. Ukraine had called for Russia to compensate all civilians embroiled in the conflict, including victims from the Malaysia Airlines Flight M17, shot down over eastern Ukraine in 2014. Ukraine maintained that Russia supplied the missile systems that brought down the aircraft. However, Russia dismissed these allegations as fiction and blatant lies. The International Court of Justice in its decision discarded most of Ukraine's claims, ruling that Russia failed to take measures to investigate the facts. Interestingly, the International Court of Justice declined to pass judgment on the claim, stating that the violations of the terrorism funding only encompass money, not weapons or training. This decision comes just ahead of a European Union leaders' meeting in Brussels, where they will attempt to agree on providing more financial aid to Ukraine. So far this year, Ukraine has not received any military or financial aid from its two main backers, the United States and the European Union. There is growing uncertainty over the United States' assistance to Ukraine as Congress deliberates over new funds for Ukraine. Yet a senior U.S. diplomat has expressed confidence that Congress will support President Jones' request to approve an additional sum. This assurance comes as the United States Under-Secretary of State, Victoria Nuland, visited Ukraine before the war with Russia enters into its third year. The Biden administration has requested Congress for an additional $60 billion to support Ukraine for the coming year. Today, bipartisan support for Ukraine remains strong across the country. To sum up, the International Court of Justice's decision to throw out most of Ukraine's case against Russia has sent shockwaves through the international community. Despite this setback, Ukraine continues to garner support, both domestically and internationally, as it seeks justice for the victims of the conflict with Russia.